my name is Stacy Jones. Welcome to Science Kids of Martin County. First thing we're going to do is go to our opening kickoff at Rapids Water Park in Palm Beach County, and we're going to see all about Hydrodynamics First Lego League.
Well, what we're going to be doing here today is that we are going to have some of the team captains from the different FLL teams in this area come and learn about this new game of the year and just how to run an effective team and how to teach their kids and show the kids the best core values such as teamwork and cooperation and not stressing over just about winning, just about being the best student and the best team member of your team. They learn different key aspects such as how the game works, and they also learn how they should be running the project. The project is how they think based on the theme that the game, how they can help the community. So if it's about getting clean water, then they can think of an idea of filtering the water for the community when there's such like a hurricane or something like that. And it's preparing the teachers and the team leaders for the season, essentially.
Hi, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm here with two of our students from First Lego League, and they're going to talk to you a little bit about First Lego League Robotics. Hi, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Annabelle.
And I'm Lexi.
Well, welcome. I'm glad you're here. We're going to talk to them about their robot. So, Anna, this is your robot?
Yes.
And what is the name of your robot?
Water Warrior.
And you're with what robotics team?
Chemitrons.
Chemitrons, that's a great name. Do you dress up and put like lab coats on?
Yes, we're actually ordering them.
Ordering lab coats, that's fantastic. All right, and what's the name of your robot?
Our robot's name is Poseidon.
Poseidon, and what's the name of your robotics team?
STEM Punks.
STEM Punks, so you're gonna go a little like gothic with the glasses and stuff?
I guess.
And the hats? Fantastic. So tell me a little bit about your robot and what your robot can do. Anna, what is about your robot that's really special?
The special thing about it is we didn't do 2 skis on the bottom. We just did 1 because it was easier.
Okay, fantastic. And how about you, Lexi?
Our robot
has this really nice arm. Do you want to show that arm? Okay, so this is one of the missions we're going to talk about. This is called the fountain, and it's going to deliver a big water. So go ahead, Lexi, and show us what your robot can do. And the kids have actually had a few weeks to build this this model and this robot to deliver this. They've programmed it. So it's a wonderful activity that they're doing to learn all about STEM in action. All right, so she's put it on the EV3 Mindstorm, and she's actually programmed it under probably the word fountain. And here it goes. We're getting there. And it's going to deliver this big water, and it's going to make this fountain go up. So when it hits the big water, it's going to activate. No? Here we go. Okay, well, what the robot's going to do is actually drive forward, and then it activates the small motor, and the small motor will then deliver, and when it delivers, it shows it up like that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to Anderson Middle School and watch the practice tournament that we just had a few weeks ago.
First LEGO League's Hydrodynamic Challenge and Field. LEGO Missions Filter and Sewage Plant. Referees from SPAM FRC 180 setting up the field. 2 Palm City Elementary students preparing for their robot run. Here's some referees that are training. And some Mars students from Murray Middle doing a robot delivery of big water to the fountain. We have some Hidden Oaks Middle Masters of the grid putting on an attachment on the robot. They're attaching a part to help the robot complete a mission. And here's their mission from Hidden Oaks Middle. Here's the gymnasium at Anderson Middle showing the teams before a mission, 14 teams from Martin and Palm Beach counties. This is our Crystal Lake Elementary RoboHawks. They're preparing for their pipe and flow mission. This is a team from Pinecrest in Boca. They're talking to the judges in robot design. Those judges are from SPAM FRC 180. They're explaining their mission to the judges. Here's Citrus Grove Robot Rattlers cheering and participating in the core values judging. And that's the judges from SPAM FRC 180. Here they're getting a pep talk from their teacher before they go into the project judging to explain their project for hydrodynamics. Here's the RoboHawks and the competition table. And there's our Palm City Wildcats running the table. This looks as if they're going after the big water mission into the fountain. Here's our Hidden Oaks Middle School Masters of the Grid. They're participating in doing the sewage plant mission. And here's our STEM punks, our local community team running their big water. And to get everyone in on the fun, they had a dance party. Then they started a chicken dance. Here's our Hidden Oaks Middle School team. They're attaching their arm to the robot, preparing for their next mission. Here's the Palm City Wildcats going to attempt the broken pipe mission. Here's the Masters of the Grid going after the filter, and I think they got it. We had 14 teams from Martin and Palm Beach counties practicing for their qualifying tournament that will be held at South Fork High School.
Hi, hope you enjoyed that. We're back here at the studio. We're going to talk to Haley from SPAM FRC 180, and she's going to tell us a little bit of things that you can do at home to learn about gear ratio in the gear train. Hi Haley, welcome back.
Hi. So today we're going to learn about gears and how you can use gears to your advantage in your robot. So right here I have a little device that shows you how using different size gears you can change the speed and torque of your robot essentially. So if I spin this side with a small gear, you'll notice that the big gear moves very slowly. But if I spin with the big gear, you'll notice that the small gear moves very fast. And so actually if you were to count this out, it would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've counted this before, and this is actually a 1-to-5 ratio. So for every one spin that this gear goes, this gear spins 5 times. Now this is useful if you want to speed up your robot, or you can turn it the other way and have your wheels over here, and this is useful if you want to make your robot stronger and slower. So for example, if you were to build a robot that you wanted to push things, like a sumo robot.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, like a sumo robot, you would use this type of gear so your robot wouldn't be pushed over as easily, so it could be stronger.
That's amazing information. So if I wanted to do this at home, what can we do for this? Well, how can I make it a little simpler?
Okay, yeah. This one's a bit simpler. All you need is a big gear and a small gear and one of these little red pieces and some axles and a beam. It's very simple. You can mess with it as much as you want. You can play around with different types of gear ratios, you know, big gears to small gears to middle gears to big gears, all kinds, whatever you want to try out. And so this gear, as you can see, you spin the big one, makes the little one spin really fast. You spin the little one, makes the big gear spin really slow.
Well, that's amazing. So what other places would I find gears? So if I wanted to go down the street, where would I find gear ratios?
Well, I know they use gears and clocks.
Clocks. Very cool. I was thinking like bicycles.
Oh, well, yeah. Actually, yeah, when you
great.
change gears on your bicycle, that's actually what's going on. So if you guys have any of those special type of bicycles that you can change gears and make it easier to pedal or harder to pedal, you'll notice that the harder you make it to pedal, the faster you'll go, and vice versa.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much, Haley. We appreciate that. Anything exciting from SPAM this year and that we're expecting something great?
We're actually hosting a Lego League tournament in December, on December 16th, I believe. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. We appreciate you coming today. Thank you so much for tuning in to Science Kids of Martin County. Please tune in again next time because we have a lot more coming up. Thank you.